Time again for annual performance appraisals. An office party to celebrate? Doubtful. Traditional annual performance appraisals are usually dreaded by both managers and their employees. Managers are challenged to accurately recall, organize, and communicate the employee's performance over an entire year. Employees are stressed as they often don't know what to expect in their annual reviews, and surprises are not uncommon. Because they provide feedback retrospectively, long after the performance occurs, the effectiveness of traditional annual reviews in improving employee performance and engagement is limited. As a result, a growing number of organizations want to replace or complement traditional annual reviews with more frequent coaching and measurement. In response, numerous continuous performance management software products have emerged with the promise of enabling real-time feedback for employees. Unfortunately, most of these products have two major drawbacks. First, they require new, radically different approaches for capturing and sharing feedback from traditional performance appraisals. This includes OKRs, journaling, and frequent pulse surveys. These methods demand daily or even more frequent input from both managers and employees. This isn't compatible with the workflow requirements and technology access of many job functions. To learn and use these methods, the whole organization must undergo a major, risky, sustained cultural shift. This is particularly true for organizations that currently have a manual performance management process or no process at all. Unfortunately, studies show that large cultural shifts fail more than 70% of the time, mostly due to employee resistance and lack of managerial support. By design, these methods don't integrate well with traditional performance appraisals, so using them in conjunction with annual reviews isn't an option. Second, they're expensive, with large setup fees, high upfront subscription costs, and long-term contracts. SnapEval is completely different. First, SnapEval enables performance feedback to be captured instantly using the familiar concepts of goal areas, achievement levels, and feedback details from traditional performance appraisals. This makes SnapEval intuitive, quick, and easy for everyone to use. Rather than demanding input on a strict schedule, a feedback snapshot, a snap, can be captured instantly whenever important performance is observed or thought of. Because familiar concepts are used to capture and share feedback, a risky cultural shift isn't needed for an organization to learn and use SnapEval. SnapEval is compatible with all job functions. Employees aren't required to have access to computers, smartphones, or even email to receive feedback. By design, SnapEval can be used to replace or complement traditional annual reviews. In fact, with a few clicks, a manager can automatically create a performance summary document with the employee's snaps embedded in it. Second, SnapEval is free or ultra affordable. All SnapEval plans include free custom branding with your organization's logo and a complementary color theme, free configuration of your SnapEval instance with your organization's values, goals, skills, competencies, and achievement levels, free training for your team, and free product support. SnapEval is completely free for teams of up to 10 users. All features are included, and there's no time limitation. It's not trial software. SnapEval is ultra affordable for larger teams and entire organizations. It's priced to fit within a human resources department's discretionary budget. Less than 11 cents per user per day, which is $3.25 per user per month, with all features included. Less than 8 cents per user per day, which is $2.25 per user per month, with all features except performance recognition. The SnapEval subscription is billed monthly based on the actual deployment size. There are no upfront costs, contracts, or commitments. Cancel anytime without cost or obligation and take all of your data with you. SnapEval can be deployed standalone or integrated with ADP. Integration with ADP provides minimal administration when integrated with Run powered by ADP. Import and sync name, email, department code, and department name. Single sign-on. Log in with your ADP user ID and password from the ADP Marketplace My Apps page, SnapEval.com, and the SnapEval mobile app. Integrated billing. The monthly SnapEval subscription cost is included with your ADP invoice. Now, let's see SnapEval in action. SnapEval enables performance feedback to be captured instantly using the familiar concepts of goal areas, achievement levels, and feedback details from traditional performance appraisals. Managers can instantly capture feedback from their computer or smartphone. This includes voice-to-text support in the mobile app, so typing isn't required. Managers can share feedback electronically when it's most effective, immediately or after an in-person discussion. When shared, the feedback recipient receives an email with feedback details and can view the snap in their own SnapEval account. A snap can be nominated for recognition of performance excellence at the time it's captured. An HR professional accepts or declines the nomination. If accepted, the snap is published to the Spotlight Recognition dashboard, which all employees have access to, and the recipient receives an email recognizing their performance excellence. Rather than demanding input on a strict schedule, feedback indicators remind managers to give feedback to their employees on a regular basis. Managers can capture feedback directly from email without leaving their inbox. By forwarding an email to their personal SnapEval inbox, the email content appears at the top of the manager's My Feedback page. The manager can then assign the feedback to an employee, edit it as necessary, and create a snap with the content. All recent activity in a SnapEval account is displayed in Notification Center. Click on a notification to go directly to the event. If 360-degree feedback is enabled, anyone can capture and share snaps for peer and upward feedback in the organization. Employees can instantly capture self-feedback in preparation for manager-employee check-ins. Individuals not enrolled in SnapEval, such as partners, clients, and customers, can give feedback by scanning an employee's unique QR code or clicking on their personal feedback link in an email. Managers can automatically incorporate snaps for an employee into a modern performance appraisal. Creating a performance summary is quick and easy for managers, and there are no surprises for the employee, as only shared snaps can be incorporated into a performance summary. Mobile app users automatically receive push notifications when important events occur, such as receiving feedback. SnapEval administrators can send push notifications with custom messages to an individual, all users in specific SnapEval roles, all users in specific groups such as departments or job functions, or everyone in the organization. HR professionals have comprehensive visibility and instant access to all feedback in the organization. Heat maps instantly summarize the activities of feedback providers and feedback recipients in a defined time period. View and access feedback levels and trends at the organization, department, role, or individual level. For the protection of the organization, SnapEval includes powerful features for HR professionals. To enable HR professionals to proactively coach feedback creators on the most effective ways to construct and deliver feedback, SnapEval's feedback queuing technology allows HR professionals to set criteria that will cause a snap to be queued for their review and approval prior to delivering the snap to the recipient. To provide HR professionals with detailed performance feedback data in case of a wrongful termination lawsuit or EEOC action, SnapEval includes instant access to all snaps for current and former employees, date-stamped logging of an employee's initial viewing of a received snap, tracked date-stamped comments on a snap by the feedback recipient, the employee's manager, and SnapEval administrators. To assist in case of a concern, question, or dispute about Snap content, SnapEval provides HR professionals with an inappropriate language filter that doesn't permit a snap to be created if it includes content that matches the filter's built-in dictionary of 400 plus unacceptable words and variants. The HR professional is alerted and provided with the content when inappropriate content is detected. Change audit logs that record the details of every change made to each snap from its inception to deletion, and reports with content of all deleted snaps. While your office may not throw a party to celebrate continuous performance management with SnapEval, you can feel good knowing that they're receiving timely, actionable feedback at an ultra-affordable price. Want SnapEval for your own organization? Instantly get your free 10-user SnapEval account in the ADP Marketplace. Get your free 10-user SnapEval account by clicking on the Buy Now button.